don't know if someone's already done this, but I'm about to try it out. Give me a second. For a second. I think you already know where this is going. I just want to see what would happen if I just cut. Oh, come on. Oh, I think I could just... Huh. See, I need to set something up that my phone could sit on while also seeing this. I don't think setting up against a tree was going to work. I don't know. Because thing is, I don't really test these things, so I don't really know for sure. Come on. I know you can do it. Come on, I think you do some crazy things. Come on. Give me a second. Maybe X-Acto knife or something. Come on. Okay, well, give me a second. Oh, I think I might be able to. Yes. Okay. The stop is off. These did pretty good. Oh, I'm so scared. Aw. You gotta be kidding me. Well. Oh. It was worth a shot. Anyways, that's gonna cover today's video.